Alright, what up ladies and gentlemen? Today we're gonna go to KLAUSENPASS. I tried to go there like last month, but I couldn't. It was just it was closed off. I don't know why, but I just checked today and it's no longer closed, so yeah, should be good. Alrighty, look at that view. So we're gonna be, I think, going behind this mountain, and then the pass should go up. Alright gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, we made it up to the pass. This is the beginning of it. And I've been here a little bit, but I'm excited to do the full thing finally. So I am really excited to ride this one properly. But yeah, there's a bit of this cobblestone road. I don't understand why it's here, but it's here. But yeah, let's go see how this place rides. The views are insane, I'm not gonna lie. Got some beautiful views. The roads are tight. I think that's what my friend was complaining about, that the roads are too tight, but I actually like technical roads like this. They probably don't look too tight on the camera, but oh, we've got a tunnel. That's fucking dope. Alright, we're out. See if we can overtake this car in a minute. Yeah, these are very tight corners, not gonna lie. Look at that view though. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, I love it. Wow, this road is tight. Wow. So yeah, like I said, I have ridden this road a little bit already, but only to a certain point, because then obviously it was closed. Yeah, I'll go in a minute, buddy. Give me a minute. Don't want to overtake in a blind corner. Right here is great. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate ya. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This road is beautiful. I love it. Oh, wow. Nice long straight, nice long corners now. Gotta be really careful with these cyclists everywhere, man. And a nice tight corner again. Yeah, this is definitely not a very beginner-friendly road. Keep in mind, guys, I don't know these corners too well, so I'm riding a little bit slower than I want to, just because, you know, I don't know the corners too well, so taking it slow is usually the better idea. Look at that. This tunnel is cool. Look at that. Incredible stuff. Space just keeps going as well. It's never ending. Got a rider in front of us. Oh, this is the oh, look at this view. Oh my god. Wow. So yeah, I've been here before, but it was kind of a grey day, and this time it looks beautiful here, and the road is open, so I'm so excited. So I ended up stopping somewhere around this area, And as you can see, we're gonna go straight over that valley up there, so I'm so excited. I feel like I'm in like America. I'm not gonna lie, this feels like Red Dead Redemption. I don't know if you guys know that game, but I feel like I'm in Red Dead Redemption right now. I'm not gonna lie, this place is wow. We got baby cows. Just wow. Alright guys, we're now on the new section that I haven't been on yet. But damn, one thing I can tell about this road, and I've been noticing for quite a while, it's very bumpy. extremely bumpy. But boy, it's just constantly bumpy. So if you have bad suspension, I wouldn't recommend coming here. I'm not gonna lie. But damn, we're going up the pass now, like really up now. And just look at this. I mean, wow. The views are incredible, but the road is, wow, it is really, it's a bumpy road. It is an extremely bumpy road. Hope this stuff stops eventually. I actually had a motorcycle accident, you know, on my MT-07, and the MT-07 is very well known for its bad suspension. And it was like a bumpy road like this, but a downhill section, and I just couldn't get the bike to turn anymore. And I reckon it was because of the suspension and also target fixation as well. That can be a lot of, that could also be a reason why I you know, had to drop my bike. But still, you know, I can't blame everything on the bike. But yeah, we're gonna chill a little bit, ride this bumpy road, and I'll probably cut until we get to a better section, because this is hurting my booty cheeks right now. This place is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But I understand what Jan meant with it's very enduro style, because the bumpiness is getting annoying. But apart from that, wow, I mean, look how close we are right now to that cliff. You got water here flowing. Oh my god, this I could die here and be happy. I wouldn't mind dying here, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. This is grand. There's a guy camping here. This is insane. Wow. Jesus. Dude, nature is so goddamn beautiful. Fuck me, bro. Oh my god, we just came from down there, guys. Oh my god. Let me just stop real quick here. Slow it down a little bit. Wow. Alright guys, I think we're pretty much almost at the very top right now. Like you can literally see the edge of the mountain right here. The very summit. Wow, honestly. Yeah, it's getting snowy as well up here. Wow. Just wow, this place is so beautiful, man. It's incredible. I highly recommend coming here as well, but like I said, quite bumpy. Not the best road conditions, but for the views, insane. I think almost better than the one in Davos. I think this definitely is better than the pass that I previously went to. Actually, yeah, this is definitely better than the one I went to last time. For the views, at least. Look at that. Look at the sheer cliff as well. Oh my god. Got a bit of snow on the road. Got to be careful. We're really going up right now. I don't even know how high we are right now, but we are high. I'll tell you that much. We're fucking high. Let's see if we can get to the top of this mountain. Oh, I think we're at the top here. Wow, wow, wow. Just wow. Look at all these bikers here. So this was basically the top, and now we're already heading down. The views up here are incredible. Got another biker meetup here. Little place to eat. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let's keep riding a little bit, man. But yeah, oi, bumpy still bumpy. I mean, it's to be expected, to be honest. These roads are probably very old, you know. They don't probably get done quite often. Oh, wow, look at this road down there. Wow, look at that mountain up there, bro. I've always had a very special attraction to mountains. I always felt very much at home every time I was near a mountain. And this place feels very much home-like. I feel very much one with it, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, wow, there's a waterfall down there. You guys can't see it, but it's incredible. Wow, actually I'm gonna see if I can stop here for you guys. See if I can. There's no car coming. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna take some video recordings of this place, so you guys can kind of get a feel of what I'm looking at, because it is incredible right now. I mean, incredible views. Just look at this. I don't want to go too close to the edge because I don't want to die, but pretty good, pretty nice. Alright guys, we continue the journey downwards through this beautiful rock section. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, I'm very much at peace right now with what I've just witnessed. Honestly, the views, they just don't stop. And it's just incredible views, honestly. I cannot complain a single bit about these views right now. I'm extremely happy, I'm extremely present. And you know, I wish for all of you guys, every single one of you guys, to be able to experience what I'm experiencing right now, because it truly is oh no, we got a heavy truck. An incredible view, honestly. Fantastic. But you know, like I said, the only one thing about this road is how bumpy and dangerous it is. It is a very bumpy road, it is dangerous. But overall, still, I mean, the views are just too good to not go here. You have to go see this place just for the views alone. I mean, when do you ever get to just ride through this? So yeah guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys get to enjoy the beautiful views. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Peace, stay safe, take care of yourself, and remember, keep learning and always try to become a better rider. Alright guys, have a good one, okay? Peace out.